Welcome everyone! In this video, we will show you how to efficiently review loan agreements using DocuMine. Loan agreement reviews can be challenging, as the process typically involves manually examining agreements one by one to verify key information. This method is not only time-consuming, but also susceptible to human error, creating workflow inefficiencies and hindering the ability to provide accurate and timely insights. That's where DocuMine comes in. DocuMine is an AI engine that eliminates the tedious task of manually searching through large volumes of documents. It allows you to ask specific questions to receive precise answers. DocuMine automatically suggests answers to your questions and provides references to the source. Let's get started. First, import your loan agreements to the DataSnipper platform using the Import or Organize buttons. Next, open the Excel sheet where you want to write down your questions. In this tutorial, we have already listed our questions. Click on the DocuMine icon on the DataSnipper ribbon. The DocuMine pane will appear on the right side of your screen. Select the source documents where you want to find the answers to your questions, in this case, loan agreements, and click Start. You'll receive a notification that DocuMine is running. During this time, you can continue working on the same workbook while the answers are being generated. If you'd like to hide this window, simply minimize it by clicking the minus icon. When this process is done, click on Start Reviewing on the bottom right. Notice that DocuMine provides an estimate of the time you've saved in reviewing your evidence. A new tab called DocuMine Results will appear in your workbook containing all the questions and answers. These will include SNPs that support the AI-generated answers with the documents. Click on one of the generated answers to see what happens. An answer card containing the question, the answer, and the reference SNPs will appear below the document viewer. Using the answer card, you can approve or reject the answer based on your professional judgment. This crucial step ensures high accuracy in your review process and maintains your control over the results. Let's now see what happens when you approve DocuMine's answers. Once you click Approve, you'll notice that the cell containing the answer has turned pink, which indicates that the answer has been approved. On the other hand, if you reject an answer, the cell will be cleared, and the associated SNPs will be removed. Repeat the same process to review all of the AI-generated answers. For more detailed reviews, you can use Focus Mode, which allows you to view one question and answer at a time while providing full context from the source document. Once finished, your Excel sheet will contain all the approved DocuMine answers that you've reviewed, each cross-referenced to its source documents. In short, DocuMine makes reviewing loan agreements fast, reliable, and efficient. By automating searches and linking answers to their sources, you can focus on validating the most critical information. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to watch our other videos to learn more. Happy snipping!